Here's how to manually change the time on iPhone running iOS 17. Let's do it step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll down again and tap Date and Time. Turn off Set automatically. This unlocks manual date and time controls. Tap Time. Use the scroll wheel to set the hour and minutes to whatever you want. You can also tap Date and change the day, month, or year if needed. Just tap outside the wheel or go back. Your time is saved automatically. Manually changing the time can cause issues with apps, messages, and location-based services. If something stops working, turn Set automatically back on. To restore the correct time, go back to Date and Time and turn Set automatically on. Keep automatic time enabled for best performance and fewer app issues. And that's it. That's how you change the time on iPhone in iOS 17. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.